Asempa FM 94.7. All talk, all day.
Obi, there were honey say, Usha, the word youth, you know, one of the things you find in youth, energy. Mm-hmm. It's synonymous to Obia or you're very, occupy a lot of energy.
Yeah.
Now, energy, you know, uye physics are. It must always be in some form or some shape, and can only move from one shape or form to the other. And to me, that was so. If you turn a turbine, kinetic energy would move into either electrical or some thrust or something.
Yeah.
Now, once youth has energy, you know, you have to harness that energy. It can be for bad or for good.
Yeah, for good.
If you don't find it for a good purpose, automatically it can incline towards the bad purpose. Now, youthful energy now, translating to that pure words dictionary now, proven I can say the devil finds work
for the idle hands.
Now, me can't where I'm better say enuntina ejuma employment. So obe pay bibia obi energy no be shame no very very important. Meaning say Nyankopon don because yanya peaceful stable environment in this country over the years aban bia bomodin say obe bibi na I find a harness this energy. Na me can we know there have been two key programs under this government. Emma mini G abano or chinebi sababi su here still mini bejino. In fact, and this aban between why you be in some shape, but we share the magnitude send away sooner. Emma mini jipa bakun napco program no. Obi nation builders call no. One policy I introduce at a go it absorbed over 90,000 youth. Obi enye easy. Now youth we are making is the most desperate and in fact what's the word obi anu mobile I said the most in fact what's the word the most sorrowful person you can meet obi ya training no not dream any skill to the tertiary level obi why idle because of in fact it is very sorrowful now sebi unko ss na sebi ubi senkofo bibidi na ye juma pa kakaka sebi enu ukra wo nipa no kwa utiase kakaka se o mi skills ndoso but nipa bia wa ko nursing and bia wa ko school ya training no as a scientist biomedical scientist and bibi onim how to mix medicines na otina fi oni ejuma obi anu ye shi sanap ko no menim say ampa obi nya 700 a month but obi 700 a month me dress free ekoba na me what if I share my life? So me, I've done all kinds of jobs. Intermediate me this obi to me free car and no cry is good news because obi enye juma bia na udidi wo only will pay on paper. Customer tips only say restaurants tips etia more than even their salary almost every restaurant. Now restaurant obi about 5 cedi 10 cedi 5 cedi I don't amount omo bo anu it me bibi enti obi today I World Youth Day no adi ba ko ye challenge youth yedi to aban bia we are saying him say harness the energy of the youth by creating opportunities. Now apart from napco no we share this 1D 1FA adi cost obi ebe boa my youth no your energy no be harnessed in a very nice way. Now say president call bono starch factory bi or him be or kasa no or see all the life ni dream ni say obenya industry bi won krom and koranus youth no sorry
Omenya baby akọ.
And or can be very powerful say when they get engaged their vices will go down. Boni be den be kofo. Obi enye boni bia na e botaye abia ana obia. Se be ope boni aye o. Se come do pa na oni so briwa. One sha. Sebi obi jamwa. Ana obi kraman, ana obi goat. One sha na wakofa. Na enu say I am justifying theft. But obi say e come adu pay because those days in school there are days instead of learning no now we calculate say 2-3 days time no then obedi. So hunger itself can cause you to think of unconventional ways of surviving and no can lead to theft. And today aban way me encourage no this 1D 1F yem turn also kasa preko wako be another factory before another buy no padlock never it was formerly Georg this Paramount. Yes, Paramount Distilleries. Tanoso. Exactly. Obi, you see, policy. This how and Sebi, forgive me, but it's to all of us politicians. Because ni krakra ni say, ekosi etuma. Me as a politician, the only thing that makes me sleep, smile, and be happy is when through me no obi timi nya adwuma me nim say we ne yire ne mba ne mama ne busua for the next number of years okoboy through nyamiadum obetimi ahwe omo. That's what gives me joy. So I am encouraged. I always challenge the government to find very nice ways. This Tanosu where am I? How did it open under another government? It's because the government said, okay, ideally, normally, no, ube be a company. You have to pay taxes on the machinery, which we call the capital equipment or capital, how do you call it? Investment.
Yes.
Way. Obi, it's normal. I say you have to pay taxes because I buy the corporate tax number. But I buy international. Say, you know what? Say Obi the factory call ebi a Senegal no. Come be na be first of all, what can say me cut Senegal me Ghana. You exempting from all taxes on machinery. You go ahead exempting from taxes. You go ahead and facilitating acquisition of land. You go ahead into buy here when you know Obi and all the two. Kasa prekotina was say look, me will plan to spinters. Mitimi ye me nema bibia. But because of the other abaninti, me biem wako tanoso. Na ma akwa na me the machinery ato Obi. I was in the 7th parliament. The tax exemptions we gave Kasapa is one of the biggest that has ever gone to a private company. I stand to be corrected, but it was hitting almost $100 million. It was big. But where a policy, when you say any policy na the banker, they have to find $25 or $100 million or whatever on that machinery before the machines get here. And be sure no say, "Mami, here me sprinters manufacturing this by ne at least." People around town so omotimi ko ejuma. Into Obi, as for you today, it is important say create opportunity. Na maka we no in the rivers, youth so we need attitude. I correct Obi. Current youth na eba no bebre because of social media ni the globalization. Good life. Obi wo Ghana ha onim car me weather driving. And now to me sham kwara omo GSS. Omo kakasa. Cars omo ni menenu. Me taba me GSS na me ntida. Obi. But o to me sham kwara ka say oh Bentley emu ye kama. Ebia Maserati. Na Maybach there Mercedes for when you na otinem uye wa dia Corolla de nkwara otimi ka say nkwara car Obi point am here say nipa wa hu Bentley at JSS no ejuma kwa ma no Corolla anka wo say won say afa na wa sha onye happy na o share kwara obi wa start ejuma fresh Corolla ne bu NG so any asemaba so attitude also is very important. And one other thing key ni say me experience kakra me senior dey or experience be pre me experience kakra tell me say there are jobs on the market now but because of attitude some people can't get in. Look Obich approaching us say me per drive ejuma me can say the cheapest job I'll pay organ and make me able to get easily is driving. But Obi me need to no Obi can say per driver and driver say be pen or pay confident Obi obet me can say ko ya di we me bra Obi odini na ma ohun so kita bag out me say oh mpacho mi so ma Obi obesom no odin betina ti say ni papa na ni nua but Obi you for abai Obi wa ojina as driver odi do restaurant no koto ade a ko be for say betina ka no oni dey steering china oti oya driver but because of no ube after 1 week na what prepare na papa no say oh and I if na ka say oh me ntimi biom e be oya driver 1.5 Obi o boss akacha say oh ni yiri yare o so nko kolebu nko hwe niama for 1 or 2 days no e was so won ye adwuma nko into the night Obi wa that day no do call after 6 hours o say boss me time edru the next day friend na o say oh say call na Judia adwuma no that's the end. But the point I want to make is that making it in life includes sacrifices. Sebi what sheda o ya diamo obi because if obi so obi di obi oh na look the best they tell you the most expensive capital is social capital. Obi say me contact ready na ebia manya issue bi na ebia ora free me okoboy Obi oni mo Obi any bra for her and no cry that you solve problem I the amount. So the point is say the youth I would like to beg them enye juma bia sabi enye dia wakuma pe na from day one ozabe den ebeka na no pa na me wo mu sister station na me kan say minim youth bia me page mama no e wo kolebu na letter e buy no so be nya I think 900 cedis every month or see scan so anti on timinko and I'm say oh massa then the chest at the month no 900 we enu pe na obehu e bi obi beba ni bayari wa so no mo aboa na tena ka wo so raji 20 cedi fato nsio 2010 5 to 20 uba wonu ebi adere man esu je
900
me be cheche bu sa ansa na oji ejuma no na nse odum share no ni achi o say doctor de o kan no che say ebu enu kra so and I'm say yes, that's the way to look at it. Secondly, adeba ko so ma wonu say obi ye youth be brain no o ka che ni so me ejuma bi o timi bi say pay no yan o timi ka che bi say o yes starting be 500 on fa on ye bi o but obi ejuma bia ye starting small. Me say sebi me SS me ko ye pharmacy ejuma na me apply some person me dispensing technician ye nche me obi ye ji me no enye na ma me ye me na me cleaning pharmacy shop no pharmacy ni pe aduane me na me koto me de mu tena ye but I did it for close to 2 years obi manage cra say me sorry no pa but ejuma no didn't come to me in the house. That's my concluding statement. Opportunity will not come and look for you at home, whether it's President Kufuor or any other president. You have to go out there and meet the opportunity. Now, I wrote 10 letters after SSO. My letter was simple. I'm a young man. I finished SHS. I don't want to sit at home. I want to apply my energy to 10 places. Guess what? It's the last 10 that took me from Lejokuku to Sakumono Junction. Pharmacy shop, last one. Or see, we've read your letter. Come, Obi, and I'm Juma. After tech, first 4 years, and I bachelor's. Before we did the one for bachelor's medicine and surgery of Kofanochenu, a break for some 3 months. I went to New York. I was working in a dry cleaner's shop. Obi, yana yeshishen tayeno kamanya. Obi, me see the day I met free hono, one of your customers will catch me boss say, have you seen this young man? Make sure you don't lose him. That day na me continue play my Africa.
Wow.
But okona okakacho mo say, o buy vacation obe ko bi ejuma no ma enti ye ka say ye buy afibo ye biago. But the point I want to make is say, Papa no say not knowing you. They've been changing their staff, especially the front person. But all experiencing, Okacha Papa say whatever they will do to keep this guy, they have to keep him. This is a customer. Obi, dry cleaners, Obi, I mean medicine.
Yeah.
But every job I find with my hands, I do it well.
You do it well.
Because I know I can be a dry cleaner. If I not come down, I could have owned that dry cleaner shop. So really, it doesn't matter what you do. There are Obi Oya Cosmetics and only food chain. Obi Oya started as a security man and a security company. Maybe relative, a driver for car rentals, or you as the managing director for the car rentals. Without no car moves. So really, if you get this mindset that I must just start with something and that it will end well, you be calm. Now the good thing is, hey, Nipano, I know what in a day. You see, how much do you? I eat normally once a day. I have coffee in the morning, 1 meal. Roasted plantain. And do 10 cities for me. You see, and we must also, the youth, we must learn to live lifestyle that we can manage.
Modesty.
Obi.
You see, the social media pressure.
Obi, you see,
leading afford to be doing a lot.
Look, Botai, and Amika, and do 50 cities.
Yeah.
It's decent.
It's a local one. Very
local.
decent.
Yes. Shetty, anything I can't afford when I'm out of my office, I don't go into it. Do a $1,000 shirt.
Yeah.
Why do you want to wear? There are people who wear $5,000 shirts. They belong to a place where they can sustain it.
Yes.
Obi.
Yes.
iPhone me you see. Where iPhone is it 7 or 6? And then I cut 6 because when is so far and cut through. But say me see the lowest one was say 500 Ghana iPhone 5. And on no palm to say Sasusu.
Okay.
Now I'm sure even keyboard no.
Because
so the only one iPhone 6.
Okay.
Obi. Mati say 12 abani nyama. Onim say mba de omumfa sandiado. Enti bia o kire bia dom no dos na me koto bia ma me yiri.
Now to 12 ni bia ma wife.
12 kwa wakododo.
Oh, okay.
Bia say 10 na 11 obeso musa na me use 6. Or then do 12. That's times 2. But point I mean is Obi, as the youth, let's learn to live a life we can manage.
Very important.
Oh, my comment to that. Say my free parliament. No way. Even before when I entered parliament, I make sure say the life I'm living when I was a doctor.
Yeah.
I can
manage the same life. Yeah.
Me Kempiski. Me I don't eat lunch at Kempiski. Obi.
Even though you can afford.
Obi. Just say me. Oh, invite me come on I don't have a problem.
Okay.
But me lifestyle no doctors are here and I lunch or me do a Kempiski. And before me parliamentary me a Ken Japan, I'm a businessman. I'm a meeting. I'm in your area. Kempiski ni Marriott ni ama. It's normal for him. Who shake na or di lunch or Kempiski. Who say we MP so be di lunch or Kempiski. Who free parliament I be home. Only
You will be exposed.
you'll be exposed because of course me pe cars pa.
Yeah.
One day me driving na me car bi me hu pe na me say no, this will be a very unique car. So me teni me chase car ni sa me do am ko show mo can dey Japan Bentley flying spare and I'm saying we me pay me am say me also me empty say no but me jitu say in this life manage what you can afford.
Yeah.
Into the youth no help am cho shoes here decent shoe. If you are there 200 no is no shoe come on 500 minimum ko for koma am shoe minimum $1,000. Don't go there if you don't spend dollars. Nipa no e bia ni revenue come in dollars. Obi wa ejuma you pay me $10,000 an hour.
Yeah.
Until the fellow can afford to do those things. And Obi, you to know, life is cool. It depends on your attitude.
Your attitude.
And also, don't be in a hurry to make impressions. Just be decent.
As you see, social media na creating non-existent impressions, no? I too much. Obi episode show off. Obi episode Obi me who's a challenge is also there. Picture pictures.
The meeting wants say see your you for omutimi ko borrow obi shirt.
Laboro.
I know obi watch.
A friend laboro.
Ana no obi. Na obi watch e ko ti o kwan so a. Obi ko check mu saying. Obi na one shirt here why come yi. Se bi oba na wo kwa hwe no ka je say yemfa we ansam pie na ni rase onu su di ko program. Oh ye dey pie. Obi so look, life is very calm. It depends on us, Obi. Now, we manage your life in a way simple, Obi. And ma Obi be kama. Obi koto E300. Echi oko say oko fix the problem no. No, Obi say yenti so. E don make say ora. E300. Odeba yenti so. Why didn't you get a Corolla? No, Jinao. Osi Opacho saying you don't start with that.
Okotoke was all the called mechanical Lloyd for
service. My first car Hyundai. In order it was a sports car. It looks on the outside like a Ferrari, but it was a Hyundai. What talk who passing Yamana 80 Ghana, 70 Ghana, 90 Ghana Obi. Under control.
Under control.
You see, it is
control. The most important thing is for you to move.
You call parliament. You see it me to V8. You can do me a starter. Ebi I do tell Abiono, ebi I met me akoso. Me to Mitsubishi pickup. Last, even gearbox na Eloki. Let's say it was around 350 Ghana cedis. Under control. Now all you use Bentley flying spare. The senior Ken. Now light we say problem about.
And then the fly the query you.
And also for quote mahabo. Bit fleet cost. Now Obi, let's manage what we can.
I get you. Thank you so much, Dr. Bernardo Koboy.